Hi everyone, this is Pallavi Anand. Welcome to class 11. Today's topic is Who is Muniba Mazari? Listen to this entire English conversation and inspirational story and do let us know in the comments section if you still think that learning English is a big deal. Do share your thoughts. Also, do not forget to watch the entire video to answer this question. Question: which country does Muniba Mazari belong to? Let's now begin with the introduction. This is an inspirational story of Muniba Mazari, a strong lady who went through a terrible accident at the age of 21, which left her paralyzed under the lower part of her body. She survived the terrible accident but took almost 2 years to recover from it. Later, she went on to take the situation in her stride, and today she is one of the most influential people in the world with many awards to her credit. She is a motivator who encourages women and people around the world to face challenges of life boldly and to never give up. Let's check her story through this conversation. Hi Max.
Pal, how are you today?
I'm good.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, Max. Have you heard about Muniba Mazari?
Muniba Mazari? I think I've heard.
Do you know about her?
I've heard, but I don't remember much.
Her story is very motivating.
Oh, who is she?
She is one of the most influential women in the world.
Oh, is it?
Yes, Max, her story is very heart-touching.
Pal, would like to know more about her?
Yes, and you would be inspired after hearing her story.
Can you please share her story with me?
Yes, Max.
I want to know more about her.
Yes, she is a motivational speaker, a goodwill ambassador, an artist, a singer, an activist, and a model.
Oh, wow, pal, multi-talented she is.
Yes, Max, and you know what? She is wheelchair bound.
Wheelchair bound? What do you mean?
Yes, her lower part of the body is paralyzed.
Oh, what's her story?
She was married at the age of 18 years.
Oh, that was too early.
Yes, but unfortunately, after marriage,
After marriage, what happened?
she was traveling with her husband in a car back in 2008.
What happened to the car?
While they were traveling, their car met with a terrible accident.
She survived?
Yes, she did, but she sustained severe injuries like broken bones in her arm, rib cage injury, shoulder, collarbone, and spine injury. Her lungs and liver were also deeply cut.
That is very sad.
Yes, Max. Moreover, like I said, her entire lower part of the body was left paralyzed.
Must have been so painful.
We can't even imagine that pain, Max.
I can understand, pal.
She's been brave, Max.
Indeed, she is a brave woman.
It took 2 years for her to recover.
2 years, that was long.
Yes, and she was left alone.
Left alone? Why?
Seeing that she is paralyzed, her husband left her.
Oh, that is sad.
Yeah, but she didn't give up.
Amazing she is.
She started from zero.
How did she cope up?
She took the situation in her stride.
How did she become so famous then?
She started painting while she was in the hospital bed.
That's tough.
Her paintings are now displayed in the world famous art galleries.
Amazing, yeah.
Not only this, she also adopted a son. She started teaching in her son's school too.
Wow.
She was recognized by TEDx Max. She became a TEDx speaker.
TEDx speaker? Wow.
After the TEDx speech, her life changed.
What a challenging journey it must have been.
Yes, and then she got opportunities to host shows and to sing as well.
Amazing.
There has been no looking back, and now she's a motivational speaker.
So, what does she speak on?
She motivates people to embrace challenges.
Inspiring.
She also encourages them not to give up.
Amazing she is.
You know, Max, she has received many awards too.
She has to, she's a brave woman.
She's also a UN Goodwill Ambassador. She has been featured in Forbes. She's among the 100 most inspirational women in the world.
Unbelievable, pal.
She is the first ever wheelchair using model in Asia.
Unstoppable she is.
Yes, she's such an inspiring woman.
So, where is she from?
She's from Pakistan.
Oh wow, she has come a long way.
It's not easy to break the traditions, Max.
I agree, pal.
She's amazing and we wish her all the very best.
She is an unstoppable lady.
She's also called the Iron Lady of Pakistan.
She is worth, pal.
Indeed, she is.
Thank you for sharing such an inspiring story, pal.
You're welcome, Max.
Respect for women.
Thank you, Max. Summary. This inspiring story gave us an insight into a person's life who had broken boundaries, that too by overcoming such difficult conditions. Muniba Mazari is an inspiration to people around the world. She has set an example in terms of stating that physical limitations cannot stop you from achieving your dreams in life. She is one woman who, in spite of being paralyzed, has become an inspiration not only to the women around the world but to the men too. She represents women's strength and is a clear example of stating that women's strength is not restricted by caste or religion. Hats off to this amazing woman, Muniba Mazari. Friends, English is about listening carefully and responding. Catch the important words. Listen to the sentences carefully. Listen to these conversation classes repeatedly. Learn English with me, Pallavi Anand, through our day-to-day English conversations. Like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss out on any class. Happy learning!